Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 668 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out some Dollar Tree makeup. Oh, it feels like so long since I've tried out some Dollar Tree products, since I've got so many Ipsy products and BoxyCharm products and FabFitFun that I was trying out all those products and I haven't tried out any dollar store makeup in, for me, a long time. But so what I have here is the REMI Rose Lip Gloss in the shade Annabel. And this is a pretty new brand to my Dollar Tree at least. And they had liquid lipsticks, regular lipsticks, some lip glosses. All of them have this really cute packaging with different names as the shades. So the lip gloss came in a few different shades, maybe like 3 different colors. It says it's a non-sticky full coverage lip gloss that will keep your lips moisturized while adding beautiful bold color. I love that. I love a tinted lip gloss, and it's cruelty free. So I've had some pretty good luck with the REMI Rose products so far. So if you want to see my other reviews, I will have those linked down below. But since this is from the Dollar Tree, it's only $1. It is smaller than most lip glosses, but that's fine by me. This is still plenty of product. But first off, I want to swatch it. I also kind of like that it's just the squeezing kind. You don't even have to use 2 hands to apply it. There's no applicator. But wow, that really does have great full color to it and really nice shine from what I can tell from this swatch here. And it looks like a beautiful nude shade. So let's go ahead and see how this looks on my lips. I'm not really noticing a scent to this. At first I thought I was getting like a whiff of vanilla, but I don't really think so. I think it just kind of smells like a product, but it doesn't smell bad. Wow, this feels so nice on my lips. Wow, this is seriously impressive pigment. It looks kind of like I applied a liquid lipstick and then a lip gloss on top. Like, it has that much full color to it, but it still has beautiful shine. So I am really impressed by this. Like, I'm kind of surprised that it's such full, even pigment, and it looks so smoothing on my lips. My lips are so dry, but they look so smoothed out, hydrated with this product on them. And it feels so comfortable on my lips, not the least bit sticky. My only thing is, I don't know if I love this color on me. It's almost a little bit too orange, but besides the color just not suiting my skin tone perfectly, it's a really nice formula. Like, if I was trying this formula out and it was $20, I would still be like, wow, this is beautiful. This is so nice. Everything about it, the amount of pigment, the amount of shine, the comfort, how easy it is to apply, but then the fact that it's only $1 is just amazing. Let me know what you think about this color. When I look at it in my camera, I feel like it looks kind of nice, but then when I look at it in the mirror, I'm like, ooh, not my shade. Maybe I just need to wear it longer and let it grow on me and wear it with some different types of makeup looks. Maybe I need like some more bronzer, some more eyeshadow to help go with this lip color. I wonder if my Dollar Tree still has this in other shades, because I would love this in more of like a pink shade or red. Seriously, this is one of the best tinted lip glosses I've ever worn. And I'm really into tinted lip glosses, especially in the cold weather these days, because my lips are so dry. So then it's like adding moisture, but then adding that color and the shine, and I feel like it just really looks so nice. So if anyone else has tried this, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. I haven't heard that much about this brand yet since I think it's pretty new to the Dollar Tree, but I really think that this is a brand that people should try out and be talking about because I am really excited about it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.